How to use Windows Focus Assist for better productivity. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can improve your productivity using Windows Focus Assist. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So first step will be launching your Focus. So you can press on the Windows plus N key. You can press Windows N and it should open up. If it does not open up, you will need to open up the Clock app. So search for the Clock app and then open it up. And after you open up the Clock, you can then go to the Focus Session option right here, and then you can set up your timer. So this will turn off notification and app alerts during the session, and you can just create your session depending on your thing that you want to do. And you can also manually set this. Let me set it for maybe 2 hours and with 2 breaks or 3 breaks. You can also set up the breaks if you want. You can skip the breaks. You can tap on this skip breaks option and start the focus. So you can see there is a daily progress. You can tap on the start focus option. You can also sign in with your Microsoft account and create tasks and pick what you want to do during this focus time. So yeah, you can start focus session right here. You can start your focus session from here. You can see what timer is remaining and everything, and yeah, you will not be disturbed during this focus period. And that's basically how you use it. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.